I like making art with my hands. I allow myself to run through an idea and problem solve until I'm happy with the result. Being able to lose myself in a project. Spending that time thinking about the next thing to cut or attach while everything else just fades away. I can spend hours like that. Really lose track of time. That's why I wanted to invite people to do the same with these hearts. In this act of creating, you can get lost in remembering loved ones who've passed, while giving their memory a physical form, a tangible representation of your love for them. In this way, the hearts act like their metal Milagro counterparts. They bring abstract into reality.
Feliz Día de los Muertos, a ti y a tu familia.